Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the most anticipated superhero movies of the year, Adventure Doomsday. Marvel fans all around the world have been waiting for this movie for a long time. After the events of the multiverse saga, a new and dangerous threat is rising. The movie is expected to bring together some of Marvel's biggest heroes. The universe is facing a crisis that could change everything. Different worlds and timelines may collide, creating chaos across the multiverse. The Avengers will have to unite once again, putting aside their difference to fight for the future of reality itself. One of the biggest reasons fans are excited is the possibility of seeing many favorite characters in one movie. Marvel movies are known for big surprises, and fans are already creating theories about what could happen. We might see new team apps and expected alliances and incredible action scenes that could make this one of the biggest Marvel films ever. If there is one thing Marvel does well, it is spectacular action. Avengers Doomsday is expected to deliver massive battles, amazing CGI, and moments that will keep audience on the edge of their seats. From epic fights to emotional moments, this movie could have everything that Marvel fans love. This movie is not just another superhero film. It could set up the future of the Marvel Cinematic Universe for years to come. The decisions made in the movie may change the fate of many characters and open the door to new stories. So, are you excited for Adventure Doomsday? Do you think this will be one of the greatest Marvel movies ever? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing movie content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.